ऐश पहुंची पेरिस, उन्होंने खुलकर बात की हस्बैंड अभिषेक और उनके नए परिवार बच्चन के बारे में।
वैसे तो अभिषेक और ऐश कई फिल्मों में एक साथ काम कर चुके हैं और इन दोनों की ऑन स्क्रीन एज वेल एज ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री रही है बहुत ही खूब। मगर अब शादी के बाद ऐश चाहेंगी कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा फिल्मों में अभिषेक ही हों उनके को स्टार।
It's a good thing when we get to work together because you know time बहुत ही precious है और आप जानते हैं आप भी जानते हैं हमारी schedules इतनी hectic रहती हैं तो if we get to work together well professionally well as co-stars it's always been a pleasure even before working together it was always fun. He's a wonderful co-star. He's a wonderful actor, like I've said before. So, as colleagues, as actors, professionally also, it's exciting when you're working with actors who are inspired, you know, to do what they do. So that's great. And personally, yeah, it's always wonderful to, you know, work with your husband because you get to spend time with each other. So that's great.
वैसे ऐश अभिषेक की तारीफों के पुल बांधते नहीं थकती, मगर अभिषेक कैसे पति हैं इसका जवाब वो सफाई से टाल जाती हैं।
अरे अभी ये तो मतलब हम ऑटोबायोग्राफी में बात करते रहेंगे या लिखेंगे, that was too much detailing. But like I said, I mean you can see I'm in a happy place and I'm very thankful for it.
अभिषेक और ऐश की फैन फॉलोइंग तो है जबरदस्त। ऐश की सुंदरता की कोई सीमा नहीं, देश विदेश सभी जगह वो रही हैं बेहद मशहूर। उधर अभिषेक की भी फीमेल फैंस की कोई कमी नहीं, तो जाहिर बात है कि इनकी शादी ने तोड़े होंगे कई सारे दिल।
well, हाँ आप मीडिया ये बात कहती है लेकिन हमें बड़ी खुशी होती है कि wherever we have traveled, wherever we have gone together and going by our emails and the letters that we get, there's been so much of happiness and so much love and blessings from men and women to both of us. It's not कि only women are wishing me and only men are wishing him, you know. There are men and women wishing me, the men and women wishing him, us together, kids, elderly people. It's a very, people have almost congratulated us like we are family to them, and I think individually already people always treated us like that. I mean, over the years I've enjoyed immense love and almost family like association with my audience. Abhishek obviously has as well with Amit ji and Jaya ji's kind of interaction with the audience. It's always been कि ये तो हमारे हैं, अपने हैं. So when we've come together, truly that is the strongest vibe that we have received. So contrary to what you probably assume, this has been a lot more. So maybe save for a few other stories that you might hear, this has been a lot more and we are witness to it. And you can feel it when it's real, you know, you can really feel it. So that's something we truly treasure.
मगर शादी के दौरान बच्चन परिवार घिरा रहा ढेरों विवादों में और ज्यादातर थी शिकायतें शादी में इनवाइट ना किए जाने की।
It had to be all or none. I mean, there was no in between. Going by the number of people that we know individually and together. So we do hope up ahead in the future that we'd be able to have maybe, who knows, during a festival or during an anniversary or who knows, but up ahead there will be a larger celebration. But at this point in time, it's a very fragile time, and the time does not allow for such huge plans. So yes, it was a very personal wedding, and we were compelled to limit ourselves to numbers, which automatically, you know, brings it down. रिश्तेदारों में ही देखें, you know, with everybody, it's automatically brings down the numbers. And when we have decided we've got to hit a number, then we can't call even one more person if we want to, even if we want to, because we've got to be fair. As I've started working and shooting again, we've had a couple of interactions. It's there, you know, the warmth and the love and the good wishes are there, and we've always partied. The family has always had parties for everybody, be it Diwali, be it birthdays in the past, and will so continue in the future. But these circumstances were such that, you know, there's just, it wouldn't be right. We didn't feel right about, because the situation is very delicate. And rahi baat logon ki misunderstandings ki, and you know, it's a lot of, it's very unfortunate. There's been too much assumption made, and sometime ahead we will feel the need to clarify it, because there have been too many false rumors. There's been too much of rubbish talk about, you know, the rumor mills have been working over time. and there's a lot of wrong stories that are filed, which will be clarified in the future. I am married to Abhishek and not to a tree.
ऐश शादी के बाद जितनी खूबसूरत लग रही हैं, उतनी ही खुश भी। बॉलीवुड की फर्स्ट फैमिली की बहू होने की खुशी उनके चेहरे पर साफ झलकती है, मगर अब इस खुशी की चमक लोग जरूर देखना चाहेंगे पर्दे पर, जब ये जोड़ी दिखेगी दोबारा एक साथ। सीमा सिन्हा, ज़ूम, पेरिस।
अटेंड करने हैं कई और सिटीज में होने वाले इस फिल्म के प्रीमियर्स। वैसे जहाँ तक फिल्म की बात है तो पहले आए हुए पिंक पैंथर 2 के प्रोमोस को देखकर लग रहा है कि ऐश का रोल इस फिल्म में काफी छोटा है, लेकिन ऐश मानती है कि उनके लिए फिल्म में से